Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best banana bread. You're going to need 3 to 4 overripe medium-sized bananas. I used 4. You're going to peel and smash them up with a fork or a potato masher until they are nice and smooth. Now in a separate bowl, measure your flour. I'm using my food scale to weigh 240 grams of all-purpose flour, which is equivalent to 2 cups. If you're using measuring cups instead of a scale, then you should spoon your flour into your measuring cups. Never, 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 never pack your flour into your measuring cups because you'll end up over measuring and your banana bread will come out very dry. To the flour, add baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Use a whisk to stir the ingredients together until it is well combined. You'll need another empty bowl to keep the wet ingredients separate from the dry. Add coconut oil and pure maple syrup together and mix it until it looks just like this. Now add in some pure vanilla extract. Mix it and then add your lightly beaten eggs and milk, and then mix it together really well. And now is when we will add in the mashed bananas, and we're going to give this a really good mix. Now get your dry ingredients and you're going to add them to your wet ingredients. And we are not going to mix well as we did with the other ingredients. You'll only need to mix just until you no longer see flour. So we're just going to do a little mixing, be very gentle, do not overmix, and don't forget to scrape the edges of the bowl. You'll need a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, and you're going to spray it with some nonstick cooking spray, or you can line it with parchment paper. And you're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. I always like to set the timer for 50 minutes, and that's when I begin to check the banana bread for doneness. So I recommend you check your banana bread at 50 minutes, okay? And once your banana bread is done, you need to get it out of the loaf pan ASAP and move it to a cooling rack. And from here, you can eat this right away, just like I always do. My daughter and I tore this banana bread up. I mean, it was just that good. And it was so moist, and it was everything, y'all. It was so good. I really hope that you will try my recipe, and if you do, let me know how your banana bread came out. I always love reading y'all's feedback on my recipes. So yeah, as always, thank you so much for your support. Please do me a really big favor and click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.